Ten lines on National French Fry Day. July 13th is National French Fry Day, also called National French Fries Day. Everyone loves to eat French fries. French fries are long, thin pieces of potato fried in oil. They are crispy and tasty. French fries have different tastes and textures. They are easily shareable and dippable in ketchup. Despite their name, the French fries are not French. They were invented in Belgium. There are different types of French fries. They are regular fries, stick fries, matchstick fries, waffle cut fries, etc. In India, with the advent of fast food, giants like McDonald's and KFC, the popularity of French fries has inclined. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.